Sprinkle it, shake it, cook. Cook in the microwave for 19 minutes. Korean fried chicken will be served with a single pack of seasoning. 3 flavors: original, cheese buldak, teriyaki. CockoMix. With CockoMix, Korean fried chicken will be served in just 19 minutes. How is this possible? Well, it's simple. Sprinkle it, shake it, cook. All you need is those 3 steps for your own homemade chicken. Hassle-free preparation and cooking. Get yourself a pack of CockoMix. BPA-free, which means safe to cook. You can cook your own flavorful and moist chicken with a microwave. The key of CockoMix is its unique seasoning. We tried countless numbers of recipes to fully express the flavors of Korean fried chicken. And we were able to find the perfect ratio: tangy, finger-licking flavors. Original, sweet and spicy Korean Yeongnam chicken. Cheese buldak, uniquely portioned for extreme heat and spicy enthusiasts. Teriyaki, salty, tangy, and umami soy sauce-based seasoning. Also, CockoMix can be cooked in multiple ways, like in an oven or a grill. There is no limit to your culinary adventures with CockoMix. With the 3 special seasoning, prepare your own special meal. We have carried out over 100 tests in the last 3 years to find the perfect chicken seasoning for US consumers. And we would like to present the CockoMix on Kickstarter. With the love and support of our backers, we will be able to help our backers to cook their delicious chicken with simplicity.